Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram app security settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to change your PIN code in Telegram app lock without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Having opened up your Telegram app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on privacy and security. Go ahead and click on passcode lock. Enter your current passcode. I take you right here. Go ahead and click on change passcode. Then go ahead and enter new passcode right here. Enter your new passcode and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Telegram security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.